Hello, a warm welcome to everyone. I am R.Haripriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. So, this is a video about textile science. So, in this video we are going to see about the next part of the first, that is what is spinning. In this mainly we are concentrating about opening and blending in mechanical spinning. So, mechanical spinning is mainly concentrated on from cultivating the plants, cultivating the plants, that is cotton, linen, jute, everything. After that, the cultivating process, what are all the process included in this. So, in this video, the foundation of the quality yarn production begins with two crucial process, the transformation compressed fiber bales into homogeneous clean materials ready to spinning. So, mainly we are concentrated on spinning. In this, the opening and blending process is a major process, because using this opening and blending only we can blend a proper fiber from different quality. We can differentiate the quality of the fibers. Based on the end use we have to we differentiate the quality of the fibers. So, this is the main concept we have to learn in the spinning process. So, opening is about just cultivating the fibers and it is given as a bales. After the collecting the bales, we have to open the bales and we have to form a different proper fiber by removing the trashes, removing the unwanted materials, removing the any dust particles. We have to cultivate it. After that we have to given the next process. So, that is about facilitating cleaning. So, we have to mainly concentrate on cleaning. In this, the unwanted and any unwanted materials has to be removed and cleanly remove everything. So, it is mainly about cleaning. So, the next one is enabling blending. So, how we can blend, what are all the blending properties, what are all the qualities, how we can blend those things. Just we have to blend different quality or different grade of fibers, including if we are cultivating a cotton, it should have different categories, that is it is based on the color, based on the properties, we have to verify those things. Then after verifying it, we have to calculate we have to check which property is okay for this process. If we are going with the apparel industry, it should be fine, thin and it should be strong. So, how we can make it as those things in a proper. So, we have to check the grade of the fiber and we have to check the properties of the fiber, so that only we can go on with blending. So, what is the main concept of blending? This is the main concept of blending. Next one is preparing for carding. So, the carding process is about the main stage. Before the passing to the main stage, we have to check the fibers properly, so that only we can get a new and correct form of fibers. Next, the open machinery process, the bale preparation and bale plackers, progression opening, final carding. So, before we have discussed about what are all the machineries, what are all the process included in it. Everything has to be checked and the bales has been properly verified. In the bales, it was taken from all the directions as a sample, so that we can verify which part is okay for the process of apparel industry. So, that we have to check and we have to process everything. This is the main concept of opening. So, there are the bales, cube form has been properly taken and it was verified. Next one is about key opening technologies. So, what are all the bale opening technologies are there? How we can open that? Mixing the fabric openings. So, we can just mixing with hand, it is the first thing. Next one is automatic bale openers. In the automatic bale opener, it is fully automated machine. So, how we can open those things? How we can form the proper formation of bales into different proper form? How we can collect the impurities from that? How we can done? If the grade is not okay, means how shall we move on with the next product, or shall we go on with this even as a byproduct. If we are taken fibers, after that there is some trashes, so that how we can process those things. If the collected seeds from there are cotton seeds in the fibers, so how we can process those cotton seeds? Shall we go on with again cultivating process, or shall we go with any other byproduct? We have to verify those things. If it is not, then we can go on with any other product than apparel industry. So, main we have to check with those things. The next one is Blending process. So how the blending process is done? Mixing varieties, mixing types, ensuring consistency. Mixing varieties in name, we can mix with different varieties of fibers. Mixing types means we can mix different types of fibers, that is man-made fiber and then cotton fiber. So we can mix those fibers with the different varieties. So we have to concentrate on the mixing very carefully. Thank you.